Social Science 10th Standard Part Economics Chapter 2 and Lesson Based Assessment P Questions and P and Simple Passing and Scoring Package for 2025-6 Rural Development and Public Finance and Budgeting. Let's begin with the 1. The contribution of the primary sector to the national income. Our right option is B, decreasing. 2. The real development of India is the development of villages. Stated by our right option is A, Gandhiji. 3. The Panchayat Raj system has been implemented through this amendment. Our right option is C, 73rd. 4. The system brought into practice as per the 73rd amendment. Our right option is B, 3-tier system. Next, 5. Panchayat institutions function under the principles of, our right option is B, democracy. Next, 6. This scheme is cooperative to develop the basic amenities of the villages. Our right option is C, Suvarna Gramodaya Yojana. Next, 7. The scheme to organize the rural poor women and make them economically self-reliant. Our right option is 3, Shakti. Next, 8. The idea of Grama Swaraj is given by, our right option is D, Mahatma Gandhi. Next, question number 2. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First, explain the meaning of rural development. Answer: rural development is the process of improving the socio-economic and educational status of rural people by efficiently utilizing the natural and human resources available locally. Next, 2. What is a value addition? Value addition is the process of processing agricultural products in the villages themselves and converting them into the finished products and selling them. Next, question number 3. What is meant by Gram Swaraj? Gram Swaraj is the process of giving the power and responsibility of village development to the people of the village and develop the village in self-sufficient, self and prosper villages. 4. Which is the highest institution in the Panchayat Raj system? Zilla Panchayat organization or institution. 5. Name a government scheme that provides employment. Answer: Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Next, 6. What is decentralization of power? Decentralization is the process of achieving village development by providing the power and responsibility of the village to the people of the village. Next, question number 3. Answer the following questions in 5 or 6 sentences each. First, describe the economic conditions of rural areas. The economic condition of the rural people is not good. Poverty has increased. Employment opportunities have decreased. Income is very low. Illiteracy is prominent and malnutrition is seen. Explain the importance of rural development. Most people live in rural area. Poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, illness, lack of basic facilities are seen. The knowledge, skills and working capacity of the people in rural area need to be increased and their income increased. Cottage industries need to be developed and people's poverty need to be avoided. Employment opportunities need to be increased in the villages itself. Urban facilities needed to be reached to the people in rural areas. The fruits of development should be available to everyone. Question number 3. Explain the importance of Gram Panchayat in rural development. Providing employment, increasing income of people, providing basic facilities, providing street lighting, building roads and providing drainage facilities. Next, question number 4. Explain the role of self-help. Next, question number 4. Explain the role of self-help groups in women empowerment. Providing financial literacy to women, creating awareness among the women, providing training in self-employment, guiding in saving money, creating awareness against violence against women, providing training in marketing and selling household products, organizing. Next question number 5. Explain the achievements of the central and state government in the Panchayat Raj system. Delivers state government schemes to the people, delivers central government schemes to the people, provides information on the state and central government schemes, provides publicity about the schemes, delivers the results of the schemes to the eligible beneficiaries, unites people and governments, informs the governments about the problems of the rural area. Next question number 6. Mention the facilities provided by the Gram Panchayat. Answer: street lighting facilities, road facilities, drainage system, sanitation system, health facilities, drinking water facilities, toilet system. Next question number 7. Why is decentralization of power essential in the democratic system? Answer: villages are well aware of the problems of the village. Villagers are more concerned about the village. To give responsibility to the villagers, to give power to the villagers. The material condition of the village is good for the villagers. Rural people are well aware of the grievances of the village. Lesson: public finance and budget. First MCQ. 1. The financial year in India ends on, our right option is C, March 31st. Question number 2 answer. The central budget is presented in the Lok Sabha by the, right option is D, Union Finance Minister. Next 3. Developing countries usually present, our right option is C, deficit budget. Next 4. This is an example for direct tax. Right option is C, corporate tax. 5. It is mandatory to get the budget approval before this date. Our right option is C, March 31st. Next, second, answer the following questions in one sentence each. First, what is a personal finance? The management of income, expenditure, and debt and individual or family is called a personal finance. Second, what is the financial management of the government? Called public finance management. Next 3, what is a budget? The estimated list of income and expenditure of the government for the year is called budget. Next question number 4, what is a deficit budget? If the expenditure is more than an income of the government is called the budget. It is called deficit budget. Why does a country like India present a deficit budget? Because a deficit budget is presented to achieve economic development by increasing expenditure. Give 2 examples of the social services: educational service and health services. Give an example for non-plan expenditure. Answer: defense expenditure. Next question number 8. What is a monetary policy? The policy followed by the government in relation to income and expenditure is monetary policy. 9. What is a direct tax? A tax whose burden cannot be transferred is called a direct tax. Next question number 3. Answer the following questions in 2 sentences each. What are the types of budgets? There are 3 types of budgets: saving budget, deficit budgets, and balanced budget. Next question number 2. Question number 2. What is plan expenditure? The government spends on various economic and social services, nation building works, for development. If such a expenditure is made under projects is called plan expenditure. Next question number 3. What are economic services? The central government provides 3 types of services under the plan expenditure, one of which is economic services, agriculture and agricultural related activities, 3, transport, communication, and energy, science and technology, rural development services are called economic services. Next question number 4. Give two example for tax revenue. Example, income tax and import export tax. 5. Mention the major direct taxes. The following are direct taxes: income tax, company tax, wealth tax, and the taxes. Next question number 6. What is meant by progressive tax policy? The government imposes higher rate of taxes on the higher income groups and lower rate of taxes on low income groups. This policy used by the government in taxation is called progressive taxation. Next, question number 4. Answer the following questions in 6 sentences each. Explain the differences between public finance and personal finance. Answer. Personal finance related to the income expenditure of an individual or family. Public finance related to the income and expenditure of the government. Second, expenditure is made according to the income. Here, expenditure is earned according to the expenditure revenue. Next, personal finance will be kept confidential and public finance will be publicized. Next, what are the sources of non-tax revenue? Sources: net profit earned by RBI, net profit earned by Indian Railways, revenue earned from postal and telephone services, revenue earned by public undertakings, revenue earned from coinage and minting, various types of fees and penalties. Next, question number 3. Explain the differences between direct and indirect tax. Answer. Direct taxes, the person who is taxed should pay the tax. Indirect taxes, the person who is taxed does not pay the tax directly. The tax burden cannot be transferred. The tax burden can be transferred. It is levied on income and wealth. Tax is levied on goods and services. Next, question number 4. Explain the importance of the public finance. Reflects the development of the country, allocates the country's resources fairly among the productive sectors, maximizes production, brings peace in the country, provides welfare to the citizens, increases capital, ensures balanced development. Question number 5. List the project expenses. Expenditure on economic services, agricultural development expenditure, industrial development expenditure, transport and communication development expenditures, energy expenditure, rural development expenditure, expenditures on social services, expenditure on education and on health, expenditure on basic amenities, and expenditure on general services, expenditure on maintaining peace and order in the country.